Welcome back, you guys. We're in the kitchen and I'm just about to make some garlicky green beans as a side for dinner tonight. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to add a half a cup of water to the skillet and a half a teaspoon of Celtic salt. I've got the temperature set to high and I'm going to bring the skillet up to a boil. And now let's add the green beans. And this is 1 full pound of green beans. We're going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to leave the garlic on top of the green beans so that it can slowly cook and remove the bite. Let's place the lid on and let the green beans cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off and stir the garlic into the green beans. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, fresh cracked black pepper, crushed red pepper, and let's stir. And you want to make sure that you do not overcook your green beans. You want them nice and vibrantly green. And that's it, they're done, ready to eat.